In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete payment in QuickBooks Online. If you recorded a customer payment by mistake, applied it to the wrong invoice, or duplicated a payment, removing it is the cleanest way to fix your records. Before you proceed, remember that deleting a payment reverses its impact. Any invoices that were marked paid by that payment will reopen as unpaid, and your sales and AR reports will update to reflect that change. Start by signing into your QuickBooks Online company. From the main dashboard, head to the Customer Hub. This area brings together your customer activity, including invoices, statements, and the payments you've received. Depending on your view, the label may look slightly different, but you're aiming for the customer's workspace. Once you're there, choose the Customers section to see your full customer list. Use the search bar to type the customer's name. Even a partial name will narrow the results. Select the correct customer to open their profile and view all related transactions in one place. On the customer's page, scroll through the transaction list and locate the payment you want to remove. It will appear with a type such as payment, along with the date and amount. If you have several similar entries, compare details like amount, date, reference number, or memo to confirm you've got the right one. Click the payment to highlight it, then choose View Edit to open the full payment form. Review the information one more time. If your goal is to completely remove the entry and its effects, select Delete and confirm when prompted. QuickBooks will delete the payment and detach it from any invoice it was applied to. After deletion, double-check your work. The customer's open balance should now reflect the unpaid amount, and any affected invoices should show as outstanding. If the payment had been included in a bank deposit or matched to a bank feed item, be aware that the match or deposit may no longer align. Coordinate with whoever handles your reconciliations to keep your bank and books in sync. If you don't see a delete option, you may not have permission to remove transactions, or the payment date could fall in a locked or closed accounting period. In that case, reach out to your company admin or accountant for help. QuickBooks also maintains an audit trail, so the deletion will be logged for transparency and review. That's all there is to it. You've removed the payment and restored the correct status on your customer's account. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you follow along.